Say they really go up all like me. Don't believe in nothing but the Almighty. Just a white tracksuit and some bright yellow kicks.
Hi guys, today I'll be coloring some hair, which is 3 18-inch hair and a frontal 16-inch. I'll be using my cream peroxide, which is 40 volume and it's 12%, and also my peroxide bleaching powder, which is too light to bleach the hair. So that's my frontal I'll be using, and that's the 3 packs of 18-inch hair. It feels good, it looks good so far, but you know, we all know that we have to wear the hair first before we know the best states of the hair. So that's my coloring brush that I'll be using, and also I'll be pouring at the moment my peroxide, which is 40% volume, and I'll be also mixing it with the bleaching powder, my True Light. So yeah, I'm pouring out the bleaching powder at the moment, and as I said, because I'm just bleaching the hair, which is an extension, I don't need to really measure or anything like that. I just use my own, mind to just pour any amount that I want. So I'm now mixing both the powder and the cream together to make not really a thick paste. I don't want it too thick, not neither too watery. So I'm just mixing it together to get a paste out of it, because I want it a little bit runny, so when I apply it to the hair, it won't just stick in one place. So that's me there mixing it out. Make sure that you mix out all the powder properly before using it. So yeah, and that's the extension I'll be coloring today, 18-inch. Yeah. So today, as I said, I'll be bleaching it. I don't remember if you have watched my last video that I said I wanted to use my copper brown with cinnamon color where I bleach a hair, curly hair, but I didn't use it. So today I'll be definitely using those color after bleaching the hair. So at the moment now, I'll be applying the bleach to my extension, and I'm gonna apply it not to all the hair, but I mean, because I want the roots to be a little bit black still, so I'll be applying it way up but not too far up to the roots. And also remember guys that whenever applying color to hair, you need to open the hair, so at least all the bleach will be on at least every strand of the hair. Yeah, definitely need to open the hair and turn it over, bleach, and also you can also use a comb to comb it through to make sure that bleach is on every strand of the hair. So that's what I'm doing at the moment, and I'll be coloring all the hair. After which I will let it stay for about half an hour before applying the copper brown and the cinnamon on it in watercolor. So that's it until I see you next.
Stuck in my brain. Stuck in my brain, yeah.
Hi guys, so here is it, the finish, or should I say the end result. So as you can see before that, I've bleached the hair, and after bleaching I've used the cinnamon and the copper brown mixed together in watercolor, and it had two different tones. As you can see, this is a bit darker tone and this is a bit lighter tone, which is fine because one of the hair, after bleaching the hair, one of it was a little bit brighter than the other. So one of it was a bit more lighter blonde, and the other one was a bit more browny blondish. So that's why we have the two-tone after using the cinnamon and also the copper brown. So this is the end result from the color that we have done. So right now I'm going to be sewing the hair. Okay, so we're going to start off first with our frontal, as you can see, and I have also bleached the frontal also. And yeah, so we're going to start off with our frontal, and then you move on from there. So our frontal. I'm just pinning the front with some oops. So while sewing it, it will be firm enough before I start sewing the hair. Okay, let me just pack. And when also sewing the frontal, you have to make sure that the frontal stretch it properly, make it very firm around the hair, so when you're sewing you don't get that too big or too loose. Oh, my thing are falling. Okay, so I guess this is okay. So what we'll do, we'll just flat.
I try to understand, I try to hold your hand, it's not a crime. Oh, gotta let you know, 'cause I can't let you go. No more wasting time. I'm trapped in your web. I should've stayed in bed, 'cause you don't know you got me. Look from every angle, it's getting hard to handle. But don't you say you're sorry, 'cause I like the way you do it, baby. But let's be honest about it, there's a way around it. I like the way you do it, baby. But let's be honest about it, there's a way around it. I like the way you. Hold my hand, how you understand every part of me. You make it clear to see when it's just you and me, baby. I like the way you do it, baby. Let's be honest about it, there's a way around it. I like the way you do it, baby. Let's be honest about it, there's a way around it. I like the way you
Yes guys, so I've just finished my little makeup. So I finished the hair, I've straightened it out, so I just want to show you the end result. So this is it, the length. It's really, I don't know if you can see the two tones that in it, you know, lighter brown and brighter brown in it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put it on, but before I do so, let me just put on my wig cap, because my hair is very red, as you can see. You know, it's quarantine now guys, and you know, my hair was looking really bad, so I had to cut it myself. Yeah, this is it. I've cut it myself and bleach it and then put a bit of red color in it. So yeah, this is my own handiwork, you know. Yeah, so let me just put on my my stocking cap.